In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sales tax in Wave accounting. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm that tax is properly included on your invoice totals. This walkthrough assumes you've already set up your sales tax in your Wave account, so we're focusing on applying that tax to an invoice. Start by opening Wave and heading to the invoicing area. From the main menu, go to Sales, then Invoices, and choose Create an Invoice. This brings up a fresh invoice canvas where you'll build out the details you'll send to your customer. You can select a customer if you like, but our focus here is the tax, so let's move right into the line items. Add your product or service to the invoice. In the item line, enter a clear description, a quantity, and a price so your customer sees exactly what they're paying for. If you already have products or services saved in your account, you can pick them from the drop-down to save time. If not, typing a straightforward description works just as well. Be as specific as needed to avoid confusion later. Next, look for the tax column on that same line. This is where you'll apply the sales tax you've already created. Click the drop-down in the tax column and select the correct tax. If you have multiple taxes in your account, choose the one that applies to this sale based on your location and the type of product or service. If an item is non-taxable, you can leave the tax field for that line blank. You can also apply a tax to some lines and not others, depending on what's on the invoice. As soon as you pick the tax, Wave will do the math for you. The subtotal will reflect the sum of your items before tax, the tax amount will appear as a separate line, and the total will automatically include the tax. This makes it easy to double-check everything at a glance. If the number looks off, verify that the correct tax rate is selected and that your quantities and prices are accurate. That's all there is to it. Navigate to Sales, Invoices. Create an invoice, add your product or service, choose the sales tax in the tax column, and let Wave calculate the total for you. With this workflow, your invoices will clearly show the tax applied, keeping you compliant and your customers informed.